Okay, first go to settings, select Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi should be enabled and connected to the access point or internet. Next, select Bluetooth. Bluetooth should also be enabled. Next, select GoTerrain app and then select this one. We need to pair the Expedeus to GoTerrain app. Select this one. And then next, on the Expedeus One remote, select option and then scroll down. Select configuration and then scroll down. Select GoTerrain and then change push to auto. And then next, select this one, search Deus, and then swipe a target at least 3 times. Okay, now the coil is detected. Select this one. So we have now paired the coil to the GoTerrain app, and we have show target ID enabled, Ferrous item display enabled, number of sweeps 3, duration in seconds 6 seconds. Okay, now let's do and test it out on the field. To open the file, click this one, select My Activities, and then select this one. Okay, the red line is the travel path, and we have numbers of bubbles. We have a black bubble, means Perus, and the blue and the light blue are the non-Ferrous targets with target ID. You can select a list of targets by selecting this one. So we have 11 targets total. And then select this one to go back. And then prior to scan, I have one targets that I have been buried. And this is the target with ID of 88. To modify this target, just select this one, and then select show. So again, this is my planted buried target just for a demo purposes. So to edit that target, just select the pencil icon on the top right on the screen. Select this one. So to add photos for the target, select this one. Then select gallery. Then select this one. So now we have the photos of our target. Also, you can edit the name of the target. Let's say 5 peso coin. And then you can add details. So you can add size, weight, and also description. So I buried the target at 8 centimeter depth. Then save the target. And then select this one to go back. So now we have the image of the target from the scan result. So the other bubbles are the pre-existing targets. So only one target that I have buried on this site or area. Okay, you can also use the heat map by selecting this one. So now we have the heat map of all the targets. So red means a target, or the light red means a target. Personally, I use the GoTerrain app for real-time mapping and tracking of small quick deposits. It can determine if the site is positive of shallow targets by exploring, detecting, and it automatically record the exact route and the position of the targets. With the use of the GoTerrain heat map, you can also visualize and analyze the concentration of possible targets in the area. In the Philippines, it is recommended in the areas like in the open field, mountains, forests, and riversides that are occupied by the Imperial Japanese Army during the World War II.